Hey guys, it's your girl Ciara, and I am back with another video, baby. Hey guys, so today I am bringing a lit, keyword lit, lady like a titty, lit makeup tutorial. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna show you how I slay this makeup. Like, I haven't slayed makeup in a while. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, I haven't been wanting to do any makeup on my face, to be honest. So, I really haven't put on makeup in a while. So I'm a little rusty. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I'm a little rusty. But stay tuned. I just applied some coconut oil to my face because she was very dry. And I just put on some coconut oil and I'm just let it seep all into my skin because we're gonna get started on this makeup video. Before we get into it though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and post notification bell so you are notified every time I post another video. And if you like makeup tutorials and you like just watching other people do their makeup, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, okay? Give me a lot of thumbs up. Just keep smashing, just smash the thumbs up button. Okay, y'all, anyways, let me get my life together, okay? And let me know if y'all like this down below. If you see me looking this way, it's a mirror right here, so I will be looking at this side, because I'm just brushing the brows at the moment. Y'all, I haven't been wearing my brows. My brows have changed the way I like my So the way I liked my brows before, I don't like it the same way anymore. It's changed. So let's get into these brows together. I used to like my brows super dark. Like, you had to know I had on a brow. And now I just like it a little bit lighter. Like, I don't like it super dark. I like it to be as natural looking as possible. But when you're doing a full face, you kind of have to do a good brow because we're doing a full face here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just using this pencil. I should call this a drugstore makeup routine or tutorial because this is really eyeliner from Dollar Tree. And I'm not even going to stunt on Dollar Tree, y'all. I love me some Dollar Tree. So let's just get that in here right now. Hey, Dollar Tree, like, baby, I love me a good Dollar Tree. They have some good makeup sometimes. So yes, definitely get you some makeup from Dollar Tree if you're starting out. I'm not starting out, but you know, I wish Dollar Tree had better makeup when I was really starting to do makeup. Like this. Okay. This eyebrow is a little bit wonky, but ain't nothing. I'm gonna show you a trick to why. Oh, that's really dark. I'm talking too much. I'm gonna show you a trick as to why I love putting oil on my skin before I put on my makeup. So right now I'm gonna brush out the brows in the front so it looks gradient. You know, it looks like, oh, it's her brows. But it's not. I mean, it is, but it's a little felt. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Now, the reason why I love, you see how this is all messy and this is all neat looking? Back up. Take your finger and just clean it. This is the one, I'm giving away my little secrets, but yes, this is why I love doing it. So even when I'm like, you know what, I don't want to wear any makeup today, I just want to throw on some brows and some lashes, y'all. Put some oil on your skin, because one, the oil is just protecting your skin from what's going on outside. You know, coconut oil. I love coconut oil for the summertime. In the wintertime, I love shea butter, raw African shea butter. Even in the summer nights, I'll put on some raw African shea butter on my skin after a good shower or something. But summertime, I really love using coconut oil for my skin. It's very light and it still does its job as moisturizing. It just does wonders for my skin. So right now I'm just going back through it and darkening the ends, of course, but leaving the front of my brows gradient. See, baby, I could go outside with my brows like this. Like, I'm done. Bye. And it's sorry, y'all. No, I'm just joking. We're gonna do a real full-on makeup video today, okay? A full-on shebang. But on a regular day, it's just these brows and maybe some lashes, maybe, or some eyeliner. Oh, you guys, I've gotten this eyeliner from, who gave me this eyeliner? Oh, Pet gave me this eyeliner. So my godmom gave me this eyeliner and it's Thrives. And y'all, I really like this eyeliner. Like, it grows your lashes, so it's like an extension. You know, the magnet one, so when you put it on, like, and you keep layering it up, like, it gets thick. It looks like you have lashes for real. As you can see, I have lashes, but they're very, very short. And yes, I need to wax my lip. I know. I gotta do a whole face wax. You guys want that type of video? Do you like stuff like that? You want to watch me wax my face? Like, honestly, it's super invasive and your girl is not wanting to put that on the internet. But you know, if you like watching videos like that where you're watching people wax, I would like to do that. Y'all wanna see me wax my stash? Let's tilt you this way. The lighting is getting, you know. I'm gonna take this jacket off. I had to run outside for a second and I put this jacket on so that I could run out. I thought it was cold. It wasn't that cold. So later I won't be wearing this thing. I won't be wearing that. So you guys, this is my favorite. What the heck am I missing? Okay, you guys, this is my favorite thing. I love it. It's Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette. Love it so much. Okay, it comes in 3 different shades, but I got the shade medium to dark. And I love it because this is like my color, my summer color, y'all. It is my summer color. It's a little bit orange, as you can tell. I'm yellow, undertone yellow. It has a little red undertone, but once you blend it all together, baby, you can't even tell me nothing, okay? And then this is the contour, and then this is your illuminator. On a regular day, on a regular day when I like have a little makeup on, this is all I use, as you can tell. All I do, let me show you what I do on a regular day, because it's the basic, like, it's literally the basic steps of putting on your makeup. I use this as it's a cream contour, so I just use this as what is it called? Concealer. I just use it as concealer, y'all. I have dark under eye circles, y'all. So, you know, for the video, y'all gonna get a better, like, when I really put it on my makeup video. But on a regular day, I just put this on to conceal and to cover the bags and the dark circles under my eye. And honestly, you guys, I don't have bags under my eye as much as I used to. I used to have so much bags. Like, under my eye used to be, like, a little puffy because, baby, I had bags under my eye. But now, it's dark, but it's not puffy. And I don't really have bags, but I definitely have dark circles, which is okay because I have hyperpigmentation I have hyperpigmentation, so like my eye circles are dark, around my lip is darker, my chin is darker, but it's also because I have hair tissue. So, you know, it's a little bit darker in that area anyways. Like, literally on a regular day, for real. Like, if you ever see me outside, this is what I might have on. If I'm not just barefacing it, because trust me, I don't really care for real. Like, I love me a good makeup and a beat face, don't get it twisted. But I absolutely rock my natural look on a daily because baby boo. But I do love a good makeup tutorial, and I love watching a good makeup tutorial. So, I would say that, you know, everything would be all good and stuff. Anyways, you guys, I really just want to get into it. I feel like I'm slowing down. I'm already 10 minutes in. I'm talking a lot, and I don't really want to talk a lot through this video. I enjoyed talking to you guys. If you guys want me to talk more in the video, like, I don't mind it. And if you want to see more makeup videos, please continue to watch and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But let's get this hurrying up. I just want to get into the makeup. I want to show y'all what I'm doing. But let's just get into it, y'all. Okay, loves, come on now. Okay, guys, so that is it. What do you think? Okay, guys, so I don't have setting spray, but this is where you would add your setting spray and let it sit for a little bit, and everything will be all great and dandy. I'm about to add some powder because I didn't add any powder, and that's it. I'm gonna just add some powder to set everything, and then I'm about to go take some cute pictures, you guys. So definitely go and follow my Instagram at officially Ciara if you want to see the fit and also how I style my hair, which will be in the next video. But if you want to see it before I drop the video, definitely go follow my Instagram at officially Ciara. I'm about to take some pictures right now. My mouth got extra watery. Anyways, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you're notified every time I post another video. Everything you want to know will be linked in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, love, and blessings. Bye.